So today, I finally got my SpeedoHealer version 4 so I can fix how my speedometer reads, because it is off considerably. So let's get to it. Sure enough, that looks every bit like the new harness I've got. Well, let's get it put on. Make sure you route this backwards so it doesn't get road rash from vibrating up against this bracket. Get it zip tied in. Yeah. There's room enough up here for a wire. So I don't need to cut a bracket in there. I'm just going to roll this up, stick it inside the tool box. I don't really use it for anything. There you have it, folks. Let's hope I'll get some footage of the speedometer and the GPS, see if that fixed it. It's 40. Is 60. $70 is 70. We thank all of our viewers and subscribers, and look forward to giving you many more adventures.